Alright folks, sharpening up the 880. This thing's 20 some years old. That's 42 on it. I got a 59. It goes on it, and there's the old 661. Haven't put a spark plug in that for 12 years because I run it. No one running it like a damn motorcycle when you rev up that gas or make those stupid noises. But here I got all these sharpened. And that one, and then, you know, listen. Whoops. Here how you can hear the whole foul on the roundness of it. And here's one that ain't sharpened yet. Hear that? And it's catching you to do it. And this right here, you want level with the same angle as that marking steel saw. You lift up on the file. Hear how it's eating more of the lip. Of the lip. You want that straight as can be right here. See, it's still crooked. There it is.